Ayun. So, rainy Sunday sa lahat, no? Maulan dito sa amin. Ewan ko lang dyan sa inyo. So, everyone, we're delighted to welcome you all to this Chemtech review for this year. And thank you for taking the time to be with us this morning. Um, by the way, my name is Alfred, and I'm be your host for this morning. And before we dive into the first session, we have a short introduction lang naman to getting to know everyone and the company and the review center. So before that, we'll start with the prayer.
Dear Lord, we praise and worship you today. You are exalted in our midst. We ask for forgiveness for every sin we have done. Have mercy on us, our Father. As we start our program today, let your guidance and protection be upon us. Send your Spirit to us and give us wisdom. We thank you for all the blessings we have received. We also thank you for the lives of the people in this place. Be glorified in everything we do. In your name we pray. Amen.
For the opening remarks, may I call on our President and General Manager of Equate Inc. and the Head of ERC team, Miss Christy De La Cruz. Ma'am Christy,
Hello.
we'll stop
Hello.
sharing muna.
Okay, hello. Good morning sa lahat. Naririnig ba ako, Fred? Malinaw naman?
Yes, ma'am. Malinaw po.
Okay, kasi medyo maulan din dito sa amin, malakas pa. So, good morning everyone. Maulang umaga sa ating lahat. I hope all of you is fine. So, I'm Christy De La Cruz. Sabi nga ni Alfred, I'm from the management of Equate Review Center, and for the Equate Company. So, I would like to thank you for being part of our 2025 review and for choosing Equate Review Center. So, thank you also to our professors. Siguro hindi ko na masyadong pahabayan. I would like to welcome every one of you, and I pray that all learnings for every session that we have will be a way for passing the board exam. So, madami tayo matututunan kay Sir Jet. So thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much for the wonderful message, Ma'am Christy. Yeah. And of course, dun sa mga hindi pa nakakilala po kay Equate, no? We are service provider, no, for laboratory, QA/QC, and other lab services. And to know further to our company, we'll show you the short video.
Welcome to Equate Incorporated. Equate started out as a QA department of JAD Company, which was established in 1994 in order to meet the quality-related needs of food, personal care, and household industries. Equate envisions is to be the leading quality and technical assurance service provider to companies engaged in manufacture and consumer products in food, cosmetics, household medical device, and pharmaceutical industries. We commit our services to consistently meet and exceed customer expectations, quality, integrity, excellence, professionalism, and teamwork. Equate Incorporated is committed to achieve customer loyalty through customer focus, competent organization, and continuous improvement. Our services. We have served. Equate will continue to be a partner for excellence in achieving global standards and improvement of people's lives. In Equate, we are where you want us to be. Welcome to Equate Incorporated.
Yes, ma'am. Narinig po ba ako? Sir Chris, malinaw po ba yung audio?
Oo, okay naman.
Yes,
Malinis.
yes.
Okay.
Yes, okay sa akin, Fred.
Okay.
Go ahead lang.
So for the reviewees, we'll stop muna yung screen ko, no? We'll stop sharing. So for reviewees, magkakaroon lang tayo ng short introduction to tell us about yourself and yung expectation po ninyo. Siguro mag-start na tayo dun sa pinakamaaga, no? Si Sir Ronnie. Andiyan na ba si Sir Ronnie?
Good morning, everyone.
Ayan.
Good morning,
Sir Ronnie,
everyone.
good morning po.
I am happy to be connected in your Equate. I hope I can acquire and fully equipped with the necessary review for me to pass the licensure examination for chemical technicians this coming October 15, 2025. I do hope that I could sustain also energy in attending this review. God bless everyone, especially to our speakers. Good morning.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Welcome,
Thank you
sir.
and God bless. Welcome po. Next is si Sir Victor Berticola.
Magandang hello po. Marinig pa po, sir.
Yes po, narinig ko.
Good morning sa lahat. Salamat po ako na naka-enroll ako dito sa review center na ito para makapasa po ako sa exam this coming October. Kasi second pick na po ako. God bless sa lahat.
Welcome, sir.
Yan lang po, sir.
Ayun. Pang second take niyo na pala, sir.
Oo, sir.
Hopefully, claim it na po kasi with the help of our lecturer, sana makapasa po tayo. No? At syempre, dapat mag-attend din po tayo ng session.
Yes.
And yun lang naman po yung kailangan natin, no?
Hindi po, sir, kasi hindi man ako chemical related course. Iba pong kurso ko. Kaya lang na-assign ako sa laboratory na related sa chemistry. Kaya nga compulsory po kami na mag-take ng exam ng chemical technician.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Sir Victor. And next is Ma'am Marilyn Lagarto. Si Ma'am Marilyn, nandyan po ba?
Yes, good morning po. Yes,
Mm.
I'm Marilyn Lagardo from Equate Inc. So, expectations. Sana makakuha po ako ng madaming learnings and knowledge po sa review po na ito. Thank you po.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Marilyn. Si Ma'am Marilyn po ay
Welcome, Lynn.
connected.
Welcome.
Connected
Good
sa
morning, ma'am.
Equate.
Yes po.
And assigned po siya sa Mondelez, one of our sites. And next is Miss Ronaldine Carascal. Ma'am Rona.
Hello sir, good morning po. Naririnig po ba ako, sir?
Yes po, narinig ma'am.
Rona.
Tama po.
Yeah. Hello po, good morning. My name is Ronaldin Carrascal po from Del Monte Equate. And yung expectation ko po for this Chemtech review is matulungan po ako ma-refresh yung mga important topics, lalo na po yung mga medyo nahirapan ako intindihin noon. Gusto ko rin po ma-explain yung concepts in a simpler way para mas madaling ma-absorb po. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ronaldin.
Welcome, Rona.
Well, take note po yan ng ating lecture. Alam naman po natin kung gaano talaga kahirap at mag-define yung ano yung mga mahirap na subjects, no? Tapos doon tayo magpo-focus. Kaya i-assess po yan ng ating lecturer. And also, we invited some of our self-reviewists, no? Mr. Mark Taule, sorry.
Hello, good morning po. Clear po ako.
Hi, Sir Mark. Narinig po.
Yes.
Ayun po. Good morning po. Mark Taule po. Reviewee po in Chemical Technician. Planning to take po by next year pa naman. Para po 1 year preparation po. Ayun, expecting lang po na ma-refresh po yung mga natutunan before bago po mag-take ulit ng bago po mag-take ng exam. Ayun
Okay,
po.
sir. Sige, sir. Next
Welcome,
year pa
sir.
pala ang planning ni Sir Mark.
Opo.
Kaya
Kasi
pala
po
self-review pa lang yung
self-review po kasi po ano na din naman po currently teaching na din naman po kaya po para po mas mahabang time po yung kailanganin ko.
Okay po. And next po natin si Miss Cristel Angeline Celes.
Hello po, good morning.
Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Expectation po is to be refreshed po regarding the anal chem, org chem, and laboratory techniques na subjects na kailangan po for board exam po.
Okay po. And well, next is
Welcome.
Sherry Jane Abad. Ma'am Sherry Jane, good morning po. Okay. Ma'am Sherry Jane. Siguro walang mic si Ma'am Sherry Jane. Si Ma'am, ay po, working audio. Okay. Okay po, ma'am. Noted. Si Miss UN Saen po.
Morning, sir. Good
Ma'am,
morning,
good morning po.
everyone. Yes, sir. Ang pangatlo ko na sana itong take. Ang nahirapan lang ako, sir, sa biochem. Organic chem pala. Organic chemistry.
Okay. Okay po. So, pang 3, ano nyo na, sir? Ma'am, pangatlong take nyo na po.
Pangalawang take from 2019, tapos last year, yung mababa lang talaga yung organic chemistry, sir.
So, alam niyo naman kung saan po kayo magpo-focus.
Okay, opo.
Yes.
Sige po.
Thank you, ma'am. Welcome po. And next natin si Miss Francesca Cinco. Good morning, ma'am, Francesca.
Hello po, good morning. I'm a registered pharmacist po by profession, and I'm also a first-year medical student. That's why I am pursuing chemical technician since align naman po yung degree ko doon nung undergrad. And I want to deepen my knowledge when it comes to analytical and organic chemistry since I have knowledge naman po about that topic. I just want to, excel my skills and widen my profession po. That's why I enrolled to your program. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Francesca. Welcome po. Ayan. So, we'll share again my screen. Ayan. So lahat naman tayo expectation is makapasa talaga dun sa ating Chemtech review, no? Sa Chemtech licensure exam. And hopefully, magagawa natin yan with your help also na umattend every session. Then mag-focus. For the Equate Review Center, syempre may vision kami to be premier review center specializing in chem-related board courses. We started last 2018, no? Face-to-face pa po yun. Then, nung nagka-pandemic nga, 2020, nag-start na kami ng 2021 online. No? Para maka-adapt dun sa normal, then we came up with this video kasi nga naniniwala kami na mas malaki yung participation namin dapat with regards to uh, chem industry. Kasi nga we handling people and laboratories sa multinational companies. And our mission, a partner in ensuring passing ability of the reviewee, syempre. And an instrument in building the chem-related passer school. Actually, ang main goal talaga namin is magkaroon kami ng mga passers from Chemtech na hindi na kami mahirapang maghanap within the within the company na. And the catalyst of the chemical-related industry institutions, communities in guaranteeing and safeguarding quality. And our value propositions for the review, syempre, when you pass the Chemtech licensure, merong better employment opportunities dyan, then the promotion, syempre. And for the companies, maka-comply na sila sa ChemLaw and better competitive advantage. And for the schools, bragging rights graduates who pass the board. Our learning partners, the reviewer, he is from UP Diliman, a licensed chemist. Finished his Master of Science in Chemistry sa UST Manila and Doctor of Philosophy in Chemistry in UST Manila. Connected po siya sa Petron Corporation as Laboratory Safety and Reliability Engineer and Program Chair of BS Chemistry sa UST Legazpi. Director, Office of Research for 3 years din po sa UST Legazpi at nagturo din po siya doon ng chemistry. Please welcome Mr. Jet G. Guerrero. Sir Jet.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Sir Jet. Thank you.
Yeah.
Morning.
Sir Bong.
And of course, our next reviewer, although hindi po siya naka-attend today, technical training associate po siya sa Petron since 2021 hanggang ngayon and licensed chemist po siya from UP Diliman and 13 years po of experience working in petroleum testing and quality control procedures, internal auditor and technical trainer. And of course, sa ICP cluster, Petron cluster is president po siya. Si Miss Evangeline Maglacas, one of the session, mamimit niyo po siya. At syempre, ang expectation ni ERC sa ating mga reviewees is dapat mag-attend tayo ng live session. And makapasa syempre doon sa exams. And for the expectation ni Professor Sir Jet, anything to say po?
Yes, good morning. Good morning, everyone. So we're very happy to welcome you all to this year's review for the Chemtech. So I will be joined by Miss Evangeline Maglacas. So si Miss Evangeline currently is in the hospital, but nothing to worry about. It's a good news naman. So she'll be handling analytical chemistry. I'll be handling the organic chem and with the general chemistry and of course the diagnostic for today and for the last day, no? So kami yung nag-craft for that. So expectations ko lang naman for the reviewees, number one is to show up because lagi naman yun yung step one natin into passing the board exam is to show up. So uh, kung tinatamad tayo kapag Sunday, I know Sunday siya do, so meron tayo mga moments na gusto na natin magpahinga. Kahit di naman ako as a reviewer, no, but we have to show up. So step one into passing is always to show up. Number two, this is a 10-week review. So 10 sessions ito. We will not be able to, technically, kung tutuusin, we will not be able to discuss point per point lahat ng na-discuss sa atin nung undergrad for 4 years. So definitely, the key into passing is to attending the review and also practicing whenever we're at home. So ako, nung nag-exam, though chemist licensure examination yon, pero may organic and analytical naman yon, no? Hindi ko inaasa sa review yung buong responsibility to pass. So number one, kapag attend ko ng review, every day, kahit 30 minutes, no? Nagre-review ako 30 minutes per day. Kung gusto nyo pa konti-konti or 1 hour per day bago matulog, you just answer sample questions into passing. Number three is to ask questions. So, ako kasi since I was a professor dati, no, assistant professor for chemistry for such a long time, no, so sanay na sanay ako sa classes. So, mas okay sa akin yung nagtatanong ng mga questions. And also, nagtatanong din ako ng questions. But don't worry, you are not pressured to answer sa live sessions. Sa chat lang kayo sasagot. So, it's okay. Our review, kahit live online siya, no, will feature moments na I'll give you 30 seconds, 1 minute, up to 5 minutes to technically think about the answers, compute, ganyan, and to send your questions in sa chat box. So we would like the review to be very interactive para hindi rin boring sa part ko din kasi online to, no? So usually kapag online, di ba, medyo nakakaantok. So okay lang yan para magtatawag tayo para at least mabuhay yung dugo natin from time to time. And then, ano pa ba? Miss Vanji, na ano ko kanina dun sa doon di pa ata na-update ni Miss Vanji mismo. No? So, she's now the supervisor for the Quality Control and Assurance Laboratory. So, na-promote si ma'am. No? So, I'm sure she will be able to share her experience and knowledge with regards to QCA, which is an integral part of the analytical chemistry course for the board exam. Yung mga ISO, accreditation, laboratory protocols and procedures. No, there will be one whole session for that. Yun yung pinagbibiroan namin na sobrang boring na session. But I know Miss Vanji will be able to transform that into a better session, no, na medyo engaging. So nakita ko mix of participants tayo. Merong mga non-chem related yung undergrad but we're able to get chem units to be able to take the ChemTech. Meron namang mga repeaters. Okay lang yun, no? Walang problema doon. No, this time, i-claim natin na papasa na kayo. I-claim, i-manifest natin that you'll pass. I think meron ding pharma. Meron ako nakita, no? Tama ba, Sir Bong? Oo. And all.
Yes,
so,
sir. May pharma pa.
Oo. So, yun. So, pharma is heavily laden naman with chemistry courses during the undergrad. No? But we're focusing on organic and analytical. Meron namang nagsabing nahirapan siya sa organic. So, yeah, hopefully we can address that. Also, syempre, nag-iiba-iba yung exam per year. So, kung yung mahirap last year was organic, hindi tayo sure na organic na naman yung mahirap this year. Usually, depende rin yan sa chair of the board examinees, no? Kung sino, ano yung expertise niya. Usually, doon nagfo-focus. But, meron tayong general topics. No? Meron naman tayong topics. What I want you to know is that please be comfortable in the board exam review. No? So, huwag tayong ma-pressure. Let's just enjoy the sessions. And then during your free time, doon kayo ma-pressure. Huwag doon kayo ma-pressure habang nag-aaral na pa konti-konti. Okay? Sir, can I share ko na ba yung screen ko to explain the mechanics and all?
Wait lang, sir.
Sige.
I-share ko lang yung last more slides.
Sige, go ahead. Sige, Sir Bong.
Thank you, sir, so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Sir Jet.
For the house rule po, the student is reminded of his or her agreement to abide by the rules and regulation of the Equate Review Center. Of course, nasa portal po natin yung mga terms and condition natin. So, the student must be online at least 5 minutes before the scheduled session. And we are advised to use headset po para mas maganda yung audio tas nakapokus tayo dun sa ating lecture. Automatically po, mamumute tayo when entering the session. And the session is exclusive for enrollees lang po. Then, yun nga, isasend namin yung link before the session. And nakapost din po yan sa ating portal. So, if you have been trouble sa access ng ating portal, please let us know po. Message nyo lang kami through our page or direct message to my account. Wala pong problema. And for the subjects, analytical chemistry, general chemistry, organic, laboratory technology and quality assurance and quality control, chemical bonding, chemical safety and waste management, instrumental methods of analysis. Na like what Sir Jet said, no, yung participation po natin is malaking tulong, no, para maging productive po yung ating session every Sunday. And for to introduce our team, Ma'am Susette, our HR manager, Equate HR manager, and of course, my name is Alfred. Ako po yung admin ng Equate Review Center and handling the project. And Sir Chris De La Cruz, ang ating IT. He can help also dun sa mga technical problem na may encounter natin during the sessions. And of course, si Ma'am Christy, ang ating General Manager. Si Ma'am Susette, nandiyan na po. Nakita ko. Hi, Ma'am Susette. Ayan. So siguro hindi na po makakapag-message sa Ma'am Susette. Sir Jet, you can have the, ano na po.
All right, for a moment. Sir, ano ko ng permission to share sa only
Yes.
host.
Ayan, sir.
Okay.